Hello all. So I would like to talk about my own 7 days green tea face pack challenge. I myself will give a feedback what I had. I'm just going to give you a true feedback what I experienced using this. So my first experience would be while using this, what I felt was yes, it did some work for my face. So after every pack I could feel something slight of difference, but the thing is, currently I was undergoing some changes within myself because of my periods and things. So I got some pimples, that's a regular one during my periods for me. So it was because of that phase I had periods, so I couldn't correlate that with green tea, or I don't know whether green tea packs made this. I would say no, because I used to go through this phase every month, so I didn't correlate that way. And what I would recommend you people is, before trying these, better have a patch test, because what I did is I recommended one of my friends. So it was, I was doing here and recording for you. One of my friend also tried at her home. So what happened is, the last mask which we did, directly applying green tea, so along with rose water we mixed and we used it. So when I did that, she also did with me. What happened for her is, she had some pimples here. After washing her face, she felt like she had got some pimples, like bumps here. So she was not happy with that. That's the real feedback from her, but I didn't feel anything. As I have already told in that video, what I felt was, while washing my face was very soft and very gentle. I haven't experienced that much softness in my face ever before. So that's what I felt. But after washing, when I touched, it was very normal. It wasn't like very soft and all, but while washing I felt a very super gentleness which I have never experienced. And then what happened was, it was like she said it didn't work out for her. It's not like it didn't work out, it's like she got some bumps. That's what she said. Then all the other packs she too tried. She too had some excellent results in that. All the other packs we both tried, and what I experienced was, it was okay, but to have the complete effect of it, we should use one pack for 1 week. It's not like using all the packs. Through all the pack, to have the peculiar out results of each pack, we should use it at least for 1 week. And completely because of green tea, what happened was, I felt some brightness and shine in my face. That's true, that's what I felt. So, but not like something good, not too much brightness. I became very white after using it. It's not like that. It's like a bit of shine I had, because I was using it for the whole week. So I had some brightness, light shine and brightness I had, but not like over whitening or over smoothing, over clear skin. It's not like that. But I think to get that, we have to use it completely. Use one. There is acne prone, there is a pack for acne prone thing, so do that pack. Try it for 1 whole week like that. And what I would suggest you people is, instead of trying directly onto my face, because I made that mistake, I didn't think about anything, I thought it's just herbal, so I directly applied on my face. I didn't have a patch test, that's true. But only after my friend saying as she got some bumps, yes, I too saw her face, only then I realized, yes, I should have done a patch test. She too realized after that only. So I didn't recommend anyone in any of my videos. I haven't recommended for patch test, because I didn't do that. So here after I do have to do a patch test and apply anything, you to do that. And I think mostly it won't affect, maybe to two very sensitive skins it may affect, because these are very natural ingredients. So I don't think these are going to give any side effects, but there are people like her who are very sensitive. So better you do a patch test. Patch test is nothing but, do not panic, whatever pack you are going to apply on your face, try it on your hands, try it to the hardened skin of your hands here or here, you try, or else you can try here, because this is the delicate skin of your hand, which is just similar to your face, so delicate. So try it on the delicate skin of your hand. Then if look for results, wait for 1 day, apply for 15 minutes, wash off, then wait for 1 day, look whatever results you're getting. If it suits your skin, do try it. So do that for all the face packs. That's what I would suggest you all. That's it. What else? So it was good only, so you can also try the, and you can give your feedbacks and comment. That's it, my frank opinion about my face packs. So if you are new to this video, I will give all the links, or I will give the playlist in description. You can try out the face packs and try it. So you can either try all the 7 like me for 7 days, or else you can try a particular thing which was needed for you, either for anti-aging, or reducing your pimples, or giving brightness. So like that, you can choose one and you can try that, and you can give your genuine feedbacks and comments, or you can mail me, or you can yes, tag me in Instagram, and yes, it would be happy to listen to your feedbacks. And yes, as I would suggest, please do a patch test. That's what I would like to say. And that's it. Let me find you with any other nice video. Do subscribe to us, share our video, and like, and do comment your feedbacks. Bye. Catch you in another video. Bye.